Think all premium mini splits are the same? Think again. You're about to decide between two systems where one is built to survive a sub-zero blizzard and the other is engineered to squeeze every single penny out of your electric bill. One choice could leave you shivering in January, and the other could cost you an extra $2,000 up front. I'm the HVAC repair guy. I spent years as a Navy nuclear electrical operator, working on systems where failure wasn't an option. And I've carried that built-to-last mindset into 17 years of residential HVAC. Today, we're looking at the top-shelf offerings from two major players, the Daikin Aurora Series and the Pioneer Quantum Series. On one side, we have the Daikin Aurora, a beast designed for extreme environments. On the other, the Pioneer Quantum, which is all about high-tech efficiency and maximum SEER. These are two completely different approaches to ductless comfort. Daikin systems are primarily manufactured in Japan and Thailand. In my experience, that usually means superior quality control and tighter engineering tolerances. Pioneer is a Chinese manufactured brand. While they've come a long way, you're often trading a bit of that long-term bulletproof feel for a lower entry price. Both of these units feature anti-corrosion treatments on their heat exchangers. I call this the coastal insurance policy. It stops the salt air or industrial grime from eating your coils. Daikin uses a swing inverter compressor, while Pioneer utilizes a pulse width modulation DC inverter. The Daikin is designed to be exceptionally quiet and smooth at low speeds, whereas the Pioneer is optimized to ramp up and down quickly for high efficiency bursts. Both provide that steady dimmer switch comfort instead of the old school on-off cycling. The Pioneer Quantum is an efficiency monster, boasting SEER 2 ratings up to 25. The Daikin Aurora typically sits around 21 SEER 2. While the Pioneer wins on paper for monthly energy savings, the Daikin is a hyperheat specialist, maintaining 100% heating capacity down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit and operating all the way to negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a massive contrast here. The Daikin Aurora averages about $3,472, while the Pioneer Quantum comes in much lower at an average of $1,626. You are paying nearly double for the Daikin. That extra cash isn't just for the logo, it's for the cold climate engineering and the massive support network. Daikin offers a 12-year limited parts warranty when registered. Pioneer typically provides a 5-year parts and compressor warranty. In the HVAC world, a 12-year warranty is a manufacturer saying, "We don't expect to see you for a long time." A 5-year warranty means you're on the hook for major repairs much sooner. The Daikin Aurora's R-32 refrigerant is the next-gen standard, more efficient and better for the planet than the old stuff. Pioneer's Quantum features I-Feel temperature sensing, which puts the thermostat in the remote. It's a battle between Daikin's mechanical longevity and Pioneer's smart feature value. Keep those filters clean. A premium unit like these has sensitive sensors. If you let dust build up, the system will throttle itself back to protect the compressor, and you'll wonder why your high-efficiency unit isn't cooling. I'm choosing the Daikin Aurora Series. If you are spending premium money, you want a premium lifespan. Shop like a pro and run your own comparisons. Use our head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.